To all Nigerians all over the world, I salute you all wherever you are hearing the sound of my voice. I pray that God grant you all your heart's desire wherever you are, and may God save every one of you at this time of this pandemic that is hitting all over the world. May the God of heaven give you all peace and protections. My names are Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the president of the United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative, UPNI. I am making this video today to serve as a clarity to the general public and to our role model, Barrister Allen Onyema. I greet you all. As they say, when a thing is not well defined, abuse is inevitable. There is a trading news at this moment in all the medias and newspaper that this initiative endorsed Barrister Allen Onyema as to be the Nigerian president come 2023. Like I said before, this video is to serve as a clarity. I would like us to continue this message after listening to this song. This song is a blessed song that will help direct your thinking when it comes to the right leadership. Listen to this song while we continue, and God bless you all. Oh, thank you very much and welcome once again. You have listened to this song, and I believe there is something in your mind at this moment. Let me start up this message like this. Today, evil is ruling everywhere. Evil is ruling in Nigeria. Leadership is going wrong. We don't have good leadership in Nigeria. Wickedness is taking over the country. But that is not our problem. Our problem is not because the people are wicked. Our problem is not because the leaders are bad. Our problem is not because we have bad men in the country. Our problem is because good people refuse to say anything. Those who say they are good are not speaking out. Fellow Nigerians, the clarity of this message, number one, Barrister Allen Onyema did not contact us to vote for him or to campaign for him. And we are not campaigning for him. And we did not consult him, we did not contact him to make him our choice of leadership. Choosing somebody as a role model is a thing of choice. choosing leadership is a thing of choice. We did not consult Barrister Allen Onyema before we suggested, because we are not campaigning. So it was only suggestion that we shared to the general public. We shared our minds. Nigerians should look into this noble character. It ought to be a leader in Nigeria. We only shared a view of what we have in our mind, which I believe is in the millions of minds of Nigerians. Barrister Allen Onyema has been in the front with his noble character, serving Nigeria as a country, building the Nigerian peace, putting Nigerians together, helping the citizens of Nigerians all over the world. Many of you know the story. And that is why we chose him. We suggest him. We endorsed him. I received a lot of calls, and I watched the newspaper that Allen denied that he has nothing to do with us. He is correct, and that is true. He really has nothing to do with us. But his good work has a lot of things to do with us, and based on his good works, we speak out. Let me say I apologize to Allen for not consulting him before declaring my interest and the interest of many Nigerians across the internet. But the truth remains this. Allen, we are not campaigning for you. Allen, we are not saying people should vote for you. Allen, we always speak our mind, which is no crime. We just speak our mind. Fellow Nigerians, I would like you all to think back. During the time of Atiku Abubakar, many say Atiku Abubakar gave me money or gave this initiative money to campaign for him. 1 naira, we did not ask Atiku Abubakar. I think Atiku Abubakar is still alive. He can speak for himself because he knows this initiative. He knows about the UPNI. But we did not ask him for 1 naira. Everything we did to support Atiku Abubakar was contributed by good citizens of Nigeria and by the leaderships of this initiative. We wanted nothing from Atiku. What we wanted is good leadership. We don't want Atiku to pay us for what we do, because voting for him was our right. So we don't want him to buy our right. We speak our voice. Atiku is there. A lot of you know him. A lot of you have his contact. You can call Atiku and ask Atiku what I'm saying. His 1 naira was not given to us in the day and in the night. And that is the integrity of this initiative. Some of you, you are brainwashed to believe that in the time of election is the time to share money. We see election time as business. Every money that is shared during the time of election is people's destiny. Our politicians will waste all the destinies of Nigerians. At the end of the day, you want them to serve you better. That can never be done. We all know that Nigeria today, what we are facing is bad leadership. If we have good leadership, there are some certain things that is happening in Nigeria today that will not happen. You all know that. But I tell you truth, you that is watching, you are part of the problem. We gave them this chance to trade on Nigeria. We gave them this chance to spend their money on us and buy our voice and our rights, buy our destinies. And after they have invested in our lives and destinies, during the time of their service, they begin to do anyhow. We keep complaining. The structure of Nigerian politics destabilized the youth Today, the youth are getting angry, but none of them are asking question. What is solution? This initiative is out with the solution. We must stop violence. We must stop doing things wrong. If we are shouting on the media, we are complaining on the media, we are talking about the problem of Nigeria, we are talking about the bad government of Nigeria, this is what the politicians want to hear. That is the way they structure your mind. You keep complaining because you can't reason. Because a man that is angered cannot reason very well. They destabilize your mind, and that is why the old circle of leadership is just there recycling themselves, because the mindset of the youth are weak. When you are angry, you cannot think of solution. When you are angry, you cannot take the right decision. And that is why we are here to clear the Nigerian people. Say, come, let us reason together. This initiative is building Nigerians to come together, irrespective of your ethnicities, irrespective of where you come from, the level of life where you live. Let us unite. Let us unite to build a formidable, well-informed masses voice. Because the masses is the part of our bad leadership. But we are building a new branded people of Nigeria. So if you would like to join us, as I'm inviting you this moment, just add yourself to our WhatsApp chat, where millions of Nigerians are coming together to contribute their own voice. Just send a message across to our WhatsApp. Tell us you want to join. We will link you up. And here is the number for you to join. +601 82 822 884. Again, +601 82 822 884. Join us on our WhatsApp as we build together. Once again, I want to send this message to our brother, our role model, father, uncle, and friend, Barrister Allen Onyema. Onyema, we want to thank you for your good work. I know you are not a politician. You are a businessman that God has blessed to bless the people of Nigeria. I encourage you to continue on your good work, and may God strengthen you. And may God also bless the general Nigerians, good citizens of Nigeria. May God bless you all who have made up your mind to serve this country for good. Let us all begin to work together towards a better Nigeria. We can change any government if we decided to change. Let us stop complaining and begin to comply. And God bless every one of you. I still remain your friend and brother, Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the president of the United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative. Thank you all.